To make the garlic health potion elixir, the first thing we need is 5 bulbs of garlic. Then what we want to do is take all the cloves and peel them off. Okay, then the next thing we want to do is slice up each clove about 3 or 4 times. After you slice up all of the cloves, you're going to put them in a glass container, something that can seal airtight. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put in 2 cups of vodka. Now we're going to let this sit for 3 weeks. Every day during that 3 weeks, shake it up a couple times like that. Okay, YouTube, it's been 3 weeks since the vodka has been straining all of the enzymes and nutrients out of the garlic. What I did is I poured it in a dark bottle here. Keep this out of direct sunlight. Do not put it in the fridge nor the freezer. Just keep it on the shelf somewhere. You'll also notice that the garlic turns green during that process. At the end of the 3 weeks, it'll turn like a greenish blue color. That's fine. That just means it's fermenting and doing what it's supposed to do. As far as dosages go and how much you should take of it and when, they say don't take more than 5 drops of it a day. When I take a dose, I drink a ½ ounce. So check with a healthcare professional and see what they recommend. Okay, once again, now that we strained the elixir into this dark bottle, discard all of the cloves that were in here. Garlic helps you sleep and has lots of antioxidants in it. It may also boost the immune system big time and fight off all types of sickness and diseases. It may reduce and fight against bacteria and fungal strains, blood clotting, viral infections, cancer cells, lower blood pressure and cholesterol. May also ward off and fight against heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and arthritis, and colds and flus. A lot of people take it for that. All those things just listed there, garlic may help and fight against that. Let me know what you think. Type your comments down below.